Welcome to Uptown Swing, the best place to learn Lindy Hop in the Twin Cities. If you want to learn how to swing dance, you're in the right place. We have champion instructors making it easy by breaking things down for you step by step. You can learn Lindy Hop even if you've never danced before. Lindy Hop is the original form of swing dancing, born in Harlem and created by black dancers during the swing era of the 1920s through the 1950s, and we're still doing it today. We love this living art form and can't wait to share it with you. You'll start learning in Level 1. Level 1 is made up of 3 courses, teaching you the basics of the dance. We have 6 count for 4 weeks, Charleston for 4 weeks, and 8 count for 8 weeks. Each course is progressive, which means each lesson builds on the last one. So you can't start in the middle of a course. But don't worry, we have new Level 1 classes starting every month, and it doesn't matter which course you choose first. They're all beginner-friendly and start from 0. We have Level 1 classes that start different nights of the week in multiple locations. Wear what you normally wear and bring comfy, clean shoes. You don't need any experience and you don't need to bring a partner. Just come as you are. Speaking of that, whoever you are welcome at Uptown Swing. Whatever your age, color, or gender, there's a place for you here, and we'd love to see you on the dance floor. So sign up now and learn something new. Meet people, have fun at Uptown Swing.